Guava is definitely not the first thing that comes to mind when you think of consuming fruit for their health benefits. For example, if you wanted to increase your intake of vitamins, you'd probably go for a lemon or an orange, and if you need some potassium, you'd most likely eat a banana. The guava is not only rich with vitamins A and C and potassium, but it is also an excellent source of copper, magnesium, and manganese. What's more, this fruit is very useful when it comes to skincare. But you know what's even better than guava fruit? Guava leaves. Dark spots, wrinkles, acne, blemishes, and other skin problems will become a thing of the past as soon as you start applying these guava leaves-based home remedies. It's a wonderful solution, both because it's inexpensive, and because it's natural and very efficient. Here are 5 ways you can use guava leaves for treating skin ailments, as recommended by skincare experts and compiled by Healthy Channel. Wrinkles. Guava leaves are an excellent way to avoid premature aging. They boast antioxidant properties which fight off the free radicals, molecules that damage the cells in your body. That's why these leaves help prevent the appearance of wrinkles, keeping your skin smooth and healthy. Guavas also contain other compounds that are extremely beneficial for your skin. One of them is lycopene. This compound protects the skin from the damaging UV rays and restores its health and luster. Acne. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory properties which make them able to fight off bacteria. Regular application of a guava leaves paste makes it difficult for bacteria to penetrate into the pores and cause acne, and it also makes the skin smoother by gradually making the pimples disappear. The leaves are very helpful for irritated skin and allergies as well. Dark spots. A paste made out of guava leaves can work wonders on your dark spots. Simply mash the leaves and apply them to the affected areas. Leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat the process daily to achieve the best results. This remedy will also act as a toning agent and restore the glow to your skin. Blackheads. To get rid of your blackheads, you need to prepare another simple guava-based remedy. Mash the leaves and mix them with some distilled water. Apply the paste as a scrub on your nose and T-zone. This is where blackheads appear most often. Repeat the process twice a week. Atopic dermatitis. Atopic dermatitis, or atopic eczema, is an inflammation of the skin that results in itchy, red, swollen, and cracked skin. It is a common condition but without an effective solution. This is where the guava leaves come in handy. They can reduce the redness and inflammation, as well as prevent the release of histamine. Your body produces this chemical when you've had an allergic reaction, and it is responsible for all the allergy symptoms, such as sneezing, itching, swelling, and panting. To prepare the guava remedy, you need a handful of dried leaves. Add them to a pot of boiling water. When the water turns brown, remove from the stove, and let the solution cool down. This will let it become more concentrated. Then, apply the liquid over the affected area with a cotton pad. After 15 minutes, rinse with clean water. Repeat the process twice a week and you will see the allergic reaction disappear.